Hi guys, it's Jeannie. You know the saying, Asians don't raisin? Well, I'm here to share 6 quick tips on how Koreans maintain their youthful skin and look much younger than their actual age. So my first tip is to have a good, reliable serum in your skincare routine. Serums really target the wrinkles and combat the aging process. My second tip is to always use a night cream at night no matter how tired you are. During the time that you are sleeping, your skin is literally repairing itself and its damaged cells. So applying a good cream will help you wake up with a plumped, moisturized, and rejuvenated face. And my next tip is to always use a sunscreen. Even if it doesn't look super sunny outside, yes, you should use it. And protecting your skin with sunscreen is the biggest thing you can do to prevent early aging. Now, the fourth tip is to use an eye cream. Eye cream is so important to maintaining a youthful look. And even if you do not have any eye wrinkles yet, prevention is key. Now, my fifth tip is to use a double cleanser at the end of the day. And as much as I love makeup, you do not want any trace of it when you're about to go to bed. Leftover makeup can cause premature aging. And my final tip is to use a mask around 2 to 3 times a week. And you will definitely see results once you incorporate it into your routine. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos by me, my channel is youtube.com/KoreanLovesBeauty and my Insta is @JanieSale. Bye!